There's only a few vehicles that can blend classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2017 Jaguar XJL Supercharged in Cosmic Black. With bifunction HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 10,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch infotainment screen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated and ventilated rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power trunk release, 5.0-liter supercharged V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock numbers 6036A.